If you're looking for smoother control over your Toyota Tundra, Energy Suspension has what you need. If your OE bushings go out in your Tundra, Toyota doesn't offer replacement bushings. You'll have to buy the whole rack and pinion. Energy Suspension offers a replacement that will save you time and money. Factory bushings are made from rubber and can wear out fast. Between road grime, weather, and everyday wear, the OE bushings will not last forever. These rack and pinion bushings for the Tundra are a great replacement for your OE rubber bushings. Your steering components can wear out fast if you like to hit rougher trails, no matter if you're in your Tundra or another daily driver. Energy Suspension's polyurethane rack and pinion bushings don't degrade like rubber and can last the life of your vehicle. A claim they back up with a VST exclusive lifetime warranty. These poly bushings will last a lifetime, and that will keep you on the road going strong. If you're interested in purchasing the rack and pinion bushings by Energy Suspension or need help with getting it installed, check out the dealer locator below. Don't forget to subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.